Next up, I want to bring up Abe Verghese with MeritEHS, which is spinning out of his other company, Merit Technologies. So Abe, come on up.
Thank you. Okay, good afternoon. What an awesome crowd we have here. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to pitch MeritEHS. It stands for Environment, Health, and Safety. Now, I want to tell you a story about somebody who wasn't in compliance and ended up going to jail. Now, none of us want that, do we? I mean, you don't want to get fines, nor do you want to go to jail if you're a business person. So contractors are required to be OSHA compliant. Large contractors, they use hundreds of subcontractors who tend to commit these violations. So the subcontractors are the ones that typically do not comply, all right? So here are the results. Over 2,300 fatalities in 2 years. Hefty fines. Again, I mentioned that earlier. Last year, OSHA spent millions of dollars in fines, so it's really serious. And then we have prison time. Well, James McCullough was a guy that was a contractor. One of his employees died on the job site. He pleaded guilty, and then he went to jail for 10 months. He could have gotten a whole lot more time. So what is the motivation here to solve this problem? So what we have found is oftentimes construction companies don't have a process, and if they do, it's paper. So what we want to do is take them away from paper process into automation using mobile and web technologies. Now, why mobile and web? Well, you have a job site, you have a safety director, he goes up there, he takes a picture, it's sent up to the cloud, the back office compliance office can immediately make adjustments. That's real time, and that's using good technology that we have today, okay? We have created a SaaS-based solution that is in operations today. It does tracking, reporting, and e-filing. And over time, we would have enough rich data points in our system where construction companies can run trend analysis and progress measurements. But I'm excited about this. So what is this? This is something we call quality subcontractor scoring process, patent pending. I'm working with a local award-winning IP attorney. Some of you may know him, Doug Kim. And what we have done is today large contractors spend days, if not weeks, trying to find compliant subcontractors. Well, we are going to use a bunch of measurements, rank them, and within minutes, they'll be able to find out who is compliant or not. So very excited about that. Market size, $1.3 trillion industry, although that's not necessarily our addressable market. Compound annual growth rate of 7.3 for the last 5 years. 680,000 employers hire over 7 million workers. So it's a sizable market, right? Our business model is your quintessential economies of scale model. $95 per license per user, monthly recurring. Our gross margins are 83% or better. We do have our first large customer, $700 million company, Crowder, out of North Carolina. They're using our latest product. They love it. It's been awesome for them. Who are we? My name is Abe Verghese. This is my partner, James. About 9 years ago, we started Merit Technologies. We have local, regional, and national clients. My software team developed MeritEHS, and what we want to do is we want to spin off MeritEHS today. We're looking for partners to invest and help us grow. So again, I thank you for this opportunity, and if you're interested, I'll be sticking around. Come talk to me. Thank you.
Thanks, Abe. Thank you, Abe. Good job.